Come from Trinidad, if you come from Tortola, if you come from St. Kitts and Nevis, Guyana, no matter where you come from, where they? Must the flag them. St. Vincent.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So people, Shaneil Muir just dropped a brand new song today, right? And it's called Black is Beautiful. I want to know it's a February, a Black History Month. So the song is just in time for Black History Month. And this was by Design. So I say she planned it like that. But people, the artist is not pleased with the response from the fans them, right? Because she has said, oh, when she drop other things, them run with it. And when she do other things, them run with it. And now she had just something positive and uplifting. And them now move with it. You see me? Not only that, them a complain, say, you know what I mean, the female, them always a sing some other type of song. And she said, no, she sing the positive song where them a request. And them now go with it. You see what I say, people? So I have the live show now where she talk about all of this. But before we get to that, people, she a moved from Vivo to our personal YouTube, because she said when she just started out, she get a Vivo channel, and that now turns out that she can't reply to comments, she can't go live and all of that. So she explain real quick. One of it though, subscribe to our new YouTube channel where we can more interact with her, right? We can see her on live and all these things. So check out that quick video. Here goes.
This is the Vivo channel, right? This is the Vivo. Want to subscribe to already. It has 327,000 subscribers. I know. Trust and believe. For an artist, it's I feel it to my heart, but I don't mind rebuilding. You understand? One thing for me, I don't mind rebuilding. So y'all are going to follow the new one now, where the one with Top Girl upon the Top Girl lyric video. It currently has 11,000 subscribers, but I need you guys to run it up. See there, this one. Yeah. So no need for follow this one. No need for subscribe to this one. It has 11,000 subscribers. Please, I'm asking you guys to run it up. Please, thank you. Yeah, label distributor can request both channels. See this channel can't say. Yeah, but then it still has a certain form of requirements to do that. You see me, like, because that has content. It seems like a replica, but yeah, it needs way more. Yeah, please subscribe to it. Some can still go on. Some can, y'all could be updated with the new stuff that's coming out, so you don't miss it. Cause then me I say it release and go look on the old one. Yeah, and the link, you don't have to necessarily go on YouTube, go search for it. The link is in my bio, so you literally just click it, and then thank you for subscribing. You literally just click the link in my bio, and it takes you to the page. You just click subscribe, and that's it. That's it. And thanks to everybody who has subscribed.
Now, people, personally, I agree with some of what the Top Girl has said, but not 100%, right? Because I feel though like the song drop overnight and it just dropped, so it have time. You see what I say? Probably she didn't expect it to reach further. I see it there, it passed 10,000 views already, but it's a song alone also. You see me I say no music video. So say them they go different from if it was a music video. But it dropping at the middle of the night, cause me didn't know about it. Me say she promote it on our page, and then me just wake up in the morning and see the notification. You see me? So a whole heap of people never really, up when the song release. So me think all them things they affect it, but maybe that's just my opinion still. But the Top Girl make a valid point. We can't go around what she said, people, because she say, them talk about Ray and Tay, and I say she have one floor, and when she switch it up, now the support not did it. You see what I say? Which is a fact. But me never know say Shaneil Muir know that say people have said that. You see me? So the artists them aware of what people have said about them. You see me I say people. So who knows the fan who can get them to sing when they want hear, or in this case Shaneil Muir says she does also sing. You see me? She also says she have a song with Vibes Cartel Forward, and it sound like that one the ranch, people. But here we go. I'm gonna stop the chatting and make she explain what go on. She kinda ran still, but I could listen to her and hear what she has said. So here goes the Top Girl.
Let me say this, you know what? Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. Alright. Listen to me now. I don't want nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody complain about no farmer, nothing when it comes to music and the versatility and various types of music there is. I don't want to talk about woman sing about pum pum. I don't want to talk about woman sing about under them. I don't want to talk about woman sing about this or woman sing about that. Because guess what, man? You don't appreciate when the people them give writed music. So because the people them realize that they will not be able to make money off of this music, because at the end of the day there is still a business part to the music. Why, you understand, as much as all people love the passion and the joy that music brings, there is a business to it. And if you do not support people when they give you positive music to listen to, they are going to go to the music that you guys support, whether it's good or bad, on a support it. Because the moment you click on something, it counts. Okay? So you see, no, we don't look by yourself. I don't want none of uno. I don't want none of uno bash. No. Listen to me, man. Because I only see him one always I talk about, boy, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this, I'm tired of that. And boy, when I can't come with something now, and come with something, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Shut the F up. Go on the bed. Go bed and go sleep. Shut up, man. Every day when I come. When I this, and when I that. I'm tired of hear this. Lord Jesus, we're pitting them. With this, with that. Lord, my kids can't even listen to this music. And this and wanna shut the hell up. I don't want to hear it. Shut up. Because I don't support good things. You don't support it. And from people, sister, trust me, they make music based on what you guys support. Trust and believe that. People make music based on what they see and what you support. So you see, before you come and complain about this and that and about people that sing about this and people that sing about that, just shut the hell up, man. Because whether you give me good music or not, y'all just so in depth of what society and what the media portrays to be a normal to know that not even realize that are the problem. You are not the problem. We are definitely not the problem. We basically give you what you're looking for. So do not even sit there and talk about this and be biased and contradicting. Okay? Don't be biased and don't be contradicting, because you know the problem. Where is all that energy now? When you get good black history song for taking out through. Yeah, I did it specifically for this month. I do it specifically for this month. For sure the woman and say you can embrace yourself and stuff like that. With a mission. But y'all don't appreciate that. So I want to ask for it. Why do you ask for it when you don't appreciate it? But as soon as somebody say this and something about underneath them want to have problems. How does that make any sense to you? Because it really and truly don't make no sense to me. It doesn't make any sense to me. Big up everybody who always support. Whether I get the raunchy or whether I get the clean, and you always support. Big up on yourself, because I love and respect you all the time. But you see, now, when you love talk about, one flow should have. Lord Jesus, new topic. Oh Lord, this Ray, shut up.
Now, people, when you hear what the top girl say, so I want to get in the comment section. Tell me if you don't agree or disagree with what you said. Tell me if you hear the song, if you support the song already. You see what I say? And if not, it highly recommended, because me are telling the people. I like it. I like the Afrobeat vibes. You see what I say? It's different. And also, the part of the live woman I use, she say, you know what I mean, if you have your little daughter and she can sing, you see what I say? make she sing the song and she will repost it and she don't know where to go from this. So she not make no promises, but people me love the song. You see what I mean? I say probably me just love everything where Shaneil Muir do, but me can really explain why me love this one. The vocals are on point. You see what I mean? I say the note them all good. Me love the Afro beat, the Afro fusion sound where it have. I love it. You see what I mean? I say people. However, we know them thing and go a fact she attack. Them song you not go get the move like the other song them. You see what I mean? I say. But me would say she forget discouraged and not sing no more of them song. I would have said that. You see what I say? Cause everything have them place and they have them fans. You see what I say? People out there will like it. So top girl go and do your thing. Now people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting. People, the weekend is here. I want to stay safe out there. You see what I say? Big up on yourself. Whatever time when I listen to this video, wherever I wanna are, you see what I say? I'm out.